Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Don't adjust your screen, y'all. That is the Pixel 5a from Google. In this video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. When I mean a quick unboxing, I'm gonna do it pretty quick, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions or 24 hours impressions because I actually been using the phone for about 24 hours. But before I get into that, check this out.
24 hours later.
Okay everyone, so I hope you liked that quick unboxing. Yes, I didn't want to do a traditional unboxing. Y'all have seen many of those already. But in this part of the video, I just want to go over my impressions with using the Pixel 5a 5G for the last 24 hours. I'll go over a few things that I'm really enjoying about it. I want to go over one problem that I've seen on Twitter, and actually I had something similar to that happened to me while I was using the phone. You can check out my camera review I did in low lights yesterday. I will have the link in the top right here. You can click on that and actually watch the cameras in action already. Yes, it's low light, so let me know what y'all think about it. Also, I need to give a shout out for Google for sending this out to me for a review. Shout out Team Pixel. Shout out gift from Google. Yeah, hashtag Team Pixel, as you can see right there. Right here, bam, Team Pixel all day, every day. I have the box upside down, but let's go over the specs really quick, and I will go over the phone itself. So in the back, you do have two cameras there. You have a 12 megapixel, it's like a dual pixel camera lens, and then you also have a 16 megapixel ultra wide. On the front, you do have a 8 megapixel camera there. Look at that, and they made it smaller too than the other ones on the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a 5G. So we'll definitely test out the cameras more in the later video. The display on this device is a 6.4 inch 1080p display. It's an OLED panel, so it actually looks really good. The cool thing about it is it gets up to 800 nits outside, and it's really bright on, during the day. I was taking some photos and I didn't have any problem seeing the screen while I was using it in direct sunlight, which is actually big improvement on other phones that I was using in the last couple of weeks. So that's always a great thing too. But it's also, it feels really good too, y'all. Feels really good. I like this display size. I like the bigger phone compared to the Pixel 5, which I will do a comparison later. This phone is like perfect in the hand. It has a Snapdragon 765 processor, 765G processor, so you can get the 5G status. Also, it comes with 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. The only color it comes in is what they call mostly black. Does it look black? It's kind of grayish. It's kind of green in some different light situations, but it's still a great looking color. I love that dull finish on there. It has a 4600 milliamp hour battery. It's actually 4680 to be exact. It's running Android 11 straight out the box. Hopefully it will get 12 really soon. You're guaranteed 3 upgrades, so you need to figure out, is Android 12 one of the upgrades, or will they actually upgrade it to, maybe Android 15? It has dual speakers on here, and also a big difference from the Pixel 4a 5G, it's water resistance, IP67 rating, so you can get this phone wet, which is a good thing, because you might get stuck in a rain shower, you may drop it somewhere, at least it won't ruin your phone. And that's pretty much the specs, but let's go over the phone itself. On this side, you do have the SIM card slots at the bottom. You have the speaker port, microphone, and also the Type-C charging. On this side, you do have the Ridge power button there. Look at that. I love the little accent on the power button if my camera will focus. Then you have the volume rockers at the top. Yes, that is a headphone jack, and also another microphone. What y'all think? And the fingerprint scanner on the back too, with the little Google logo. What y'all think about the overall build of the phone? It actually looks really nice. You can pre-order this phone from the Google store for $449, so go take a look at it. If you plan on getting it, let me know in the comments. If you're part of Team Pixel and you're watching this video, let me know what y'all think about it so far. I've been watching everyone's videos, been enjoying it, so keep them coming. Hashtag Team Pixel. But if you are not on Team Pixel and you plan on getting this phone, let me know what y'all think about it. Let me know, if you're going to pick it up or not. Now, the Pixel 6 Pro is coming out later this fall, but they dropped this phone. A lot of people have been talking about this phone. Why did they drop it when the 6 Pro coming out? Why is it not that much better than the Pixel 4a 5G? Blah, blah, blah. That's all I'm gonna say about that. It has a little bit of upgrades on there. Why did they release it? Because they want to give you value for your money. Maybe they know that you don't want to spend $800 or $900 on the Pixel 6 Pro, whatever they're going to charge for it. Maybe they want to give you everything that Google has for less than $500. Think about it. Other companies do the same thing every year, and do they get flap about it? No, not as much as Google or any other of these OEM. Is it a complete upgrade? No, but is it worth it? For $449 so far, I'm gonna have to say yes. I'm really enjoying the phone. Now, there is one major problem going around Twitter. I've seen people taking 4K videos saying the phone shut off. I was taking photos earlier today at work. It was like 90 something degrees outside. I was in the middle of sunlight, and my phone said that the flash is turning off, the device will shut down because it's overheated. It never overheated, it never actually shut off. It just gave me that warning. I was able to take about 10 to 12 more photos before I went inside, and between that time it was about 5 minutes, and it didn't shut off on me. I didn't try to flash because it was middle of the day, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. I will let y'all know if I have any other problems. I haven't shot any videos on here during the daytime. I did do some at nighttime. Didn't have any problems at night. I will test it out. Yes, it will be 90 degrees when I test it out. Yes, we will know if it has some overheating issues because it's hot in Texas. Where I live at, it's hot. So we will know if I will overheat the phone. I will let y'all know. I'm not gonna try to keep it from y'all. Now let's do some quick comparisons, but also these work great with the Pixel 5a 5G, the Pixel Buds Series A. They actually work great with it. I've been using these all day too. Shout out to Team Pixel for the headphones too, or the earbuds. Also stay tuned. I will come back and maybe do a week later impression, but so far overall I've been really enjoying the phone. Let's do some comparisons before I get into wrapping this video up. Here's the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. The Fan Edition is a little bit taller. And one thing about the Fan Edition, it has that matte finish looking too. This is a glass back though. Here's the Pixel 5. See, we always complain about the Pixel 5 being small, and it was actually a small phone. I like the bigger phones. Some people do like the smaller phones, but I think this 5A is the perfect size. Does it look like each other? Yes, it does. The design, pretty much the same. But I like the bigger design, I like the bigger display. Overall, the last 24 hours with the phone has been great. Now, I forgot to mention that the display is 60 Hertz, but it works great. No hiccups, it runs smooth. I don't have any problems. The speaker's also pretty good on it. I will be doing more speaker tests with the phone. I'll probably be doing a gaming review. I've really been enjoying the phone so far. I have, that one little complaint or one little hiccup on it, but overall, the battery life has been pretty good. The speakers sound great. The cameras are pretty good. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see from me in upcoming videos on the Pixel 5a. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 5a. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.